Manifesting. Jai Bajrangballi. From my vision board came true in just 3 days. Here we go. One scissor that's paralyzed, and I am interning at the Ministry of Home Affairs. I got diagnosed with bronchitis in the first week of being here. That's my cousin. अभी बाल चिपक जाते हैं और सारा विजन बोर्ड मेरे खोपड़ी में ही आता है. Subscribe for more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 4th of January and I am in Delhi for my internship. Since it's a weekend, I am at my cousin's place and I thought of a very fun activity. So yes, you guessed it right or you read it right. We are making a vision board again. So 2024 vision board was a complete fail which led me to not make one in 2025. Now I am planning of giving this vision board a second chance in 2026. So we have some brush pens. ये brush pens है ना? We have some brush pens. ये सब मेरा उधार लिया हुआ है from my cousin. Then we have some sketch pens और ये actually glitter pens थे. Sorry. We have a Fevicol, one scissor that's paralyzed but will work. Oh, we have one more scissor. I also got some pictures printed last night only because I was sure I was going to make this video. So we have some pictures, some color prints that we'll be cutting out and sticking onto a chart paper.
12 seconds later.
That's my cousin. You've seen her before on this channel.
Yeah, like long time back.
Yes, and she's back with me. हम ये काट रहे हैं finally और रोज भी काट रही है मेरी हेल्प करने के लिए क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं. I have 13 pictures.
She'll make the vision board. I'll basically plan out अपने लिए. Like I'll write the things because मेरा अपना clarity नहीं है, and I'll help her make her vision.
और मैंने ना इस बार थोड़ी सी रियलिस्टिक चीजें रखी हैं जो मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं कर पाऊंगी.
In comparison, like हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, मैं उसको यही बता रही थी. Majorly जितने भी क्रिएटर्स या इवन नॉर्मल पीपल दे केम फॉरवर्ड, उन्होंने यही बताया कि हमने कुछ ज्यादा कलर कोडेड कर दिया था या कुछ ज्यादा ही बूझी कर दिया था या बस ऐसे ही बना दिया था. इट वाज नॉट इवन दैट पर्सनल जो गोल था. सो दिस टाइम आई थिंक द पिक्चर्स शी चोज वर प्रीटी गुड.
Okay. I don't want to limit my shopping this year. So I want to have 10,000 subscribers, which I am not working towards. But this year everything will change. Hopefully. Jai Bajrangballi. This photo of filming on the iPhone. I film on my phone, so I thought relatable. This picture which says 10,000 steps. This year I want to do 10,000 steps every day. अभी फिलहाल मेरी internship चल रही है तो literally मेरे 10,000 हो जाते हैं दिन में. But on the off days शायद मैं 2,500 ही चल पाती होंगी. वो भी बहुत बोल दिया.
नहीं, मेरा तो उतना भी नहीं होता, but I want to do that.
है ना, the 10,000 steps. And then in the year end there are going to be placements and it'll be placement season for me, so I hope I get a good job. So I have added this. It says yes, I got the job.
And you will.
Yes, manifesting. After that I'm also planning to buy an iPad, but when will it happen? I have no idea. Oh, by the way, I got a new phone, but I lost the footage. So you can't see me unbox a new phone, but I did get a new phone. There is this one photo of a MacBook where the person's editing a video probably. So I got this because I edit on my MacBook. Then there is congratulations, you're a YouTube partner. We definitely need money. There's some good grades which I have not been getting, but I would really like that I get good grades this year. Other than that, there is a weight machine which says 60 kgs, if not 60, at least 68. This is everything that I got printed, and now we'll start chopping it up and you'll see us do that. While cutting all of this, I will tell you how it has been living in Delhi. I don't live here usually. I live in Bhopal. because of my college, if you're watching me for the first time, right? So I came to Delhi for my internship, and I am interning at the Ministry of Home Affairs, which is a very prestigious internship that I got, and I'm really grateful for that. It keeps me busy, and all this while, like throughout December, I was in Delhi and the pollution was so bad. I got diagnosed with bronchitis in the first week of being here, which was extremely sad. And I had to take some steroids and use medicine through a nebulizer, which was very heartbreaking for me to see myself doing. But now I am all better, and I think I've become a pakka Delhi wala insan to be living here, because I think Delhi has accepted me now. So we're doing good on that front. Other than that, we planned of doing this video yesterday, but then we procrastinated a lot, and right now it's my time to leave and go back to my PG. Instead of that, we decided now we'll film, and after I film I'll go back because tomorrow I have my office. It's a Monday. This is the best camera angle you will get. Yeah, Rose, the way these aesthetic things are capitalized. कि आपको जरूरी है ये करना, और हम बेचेंगे भी महंगा.
हाँ सही में. सेंटेड कैंडल्स तो मतलब इतनी महंगी करी है. मतलब तो बुरा लगने लगता है.
And you can literally just make it at home also.
I know मैंने बनाई है, like इतना बड़ा बैच भी, तो भाई बना सकते हो, वही वाला चीज़.
Rose made scented candles for her parents' 25th anniversary's return gifts. Subscribe for more. अभी बाल चिपक जाते हैं और सारा विजन बोर्ड मेरे खोपड़ी पे ही आता फिर. It's dawn. This is done now. I will be talking to you about it. We are done with the making of the vision board, and this is what it looks like. It actually looks like a kid has done some collage project, so don't judge, but I have tried to keep it more realistic and minimal also, because it did not work out in 2024. The reason I felt is it was too scattered for me to focus on the things, so I have kept it very minimal. A few pictures that I have on here are about me being consistent on YouTube and actually working on the videos, which I really love, and I really want to do it in 2026. The other few are about grades and job. If I get good grades, if I do good in college, then I might get a good job. It'll help at least in the process. Yeah, so I think I have successfully only added 4 or 5 goals at max on this vision board, which I think are quite achievable, to be honest. I would love to incorporate things and good healthy values in me this year so I can fulfill all of this, and I am really excited to start this year, and I'm glad that I made this. I'm very happy. Other than that, I wanted to talk to you about 2025. I was not available for the most part, and I am quickly making a 2-minute 2025 unwrap because 2025 actually tried to wrap me up. Yeah, I did not start the year on a very good note. It was not the best year of my life as well. But later it turned out to be nice enough. I cleared an exam, I moved to Bhopal, and then I got busy with the course, which I think was really needed for me because I was just sitting and sulking at home. Other than that, it was a great year. I made great friends in Bhopal, and I celebrated my 25th birthday in Bhopal. That vlog is also yet to come out. I got a new phone. I did a lot of shopping in Bhopal. In all, 2025 was okay. It was a solid 7 on 10, I would say. But I would really hope that 26 is a fucking 11 on 10. I want it to be 11 on 10. That's pretty much it. That's how my 2025 went. And I just wanted to say Happy New Year, guys. Have a great year ahead and do everything that you love without caring about what people will say, if people will judge you or not. Live your life to the fullest. We're already 25. I mean, I am 25. I'm assuming you are also my age. If you're 18, 20, 25, 19, whatever your age is, even if you're 30, 35, 40, whatever you're touching, live a happy life, live a great year without thinking of people's opinions. So yeah, have a great year ahead and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye. Rose, yes. Hi guys, my first manifestation from my vision board came true in just 3 days. Here we go. And let's open it from here as well. Now let's open this. I'm opening it on my lap because I'm very clumsy and I don't want it to fall off. But wait. Oh dear God, how do I open it? Here's my iPad. Let's open it. It's a very, oh my dear God, it's such a pretty blue color. That was not what I actually wished for. I really wanted pink, but I'm happy with blue. But oh dear God, I can't take it out. Ew. It already has my fingerprints. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty blue color. I love it.